them a go do ya now? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. Newlink. Hotter.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Don't know the thing, man. They're right about now people are just easy back, you know. Because I have a thing I really want to talk about now people. And just have to wonder sometime. But in a life, things just set away. You know what I mean? Things just set away, yo. You see, yo, I just don't know. Because news are reached Newlink, you know, people. See? And it's an incident what took place down in a place they call near Albert Town in Trelawny, people. And right now, residents from this community shocked right now because them say normally people, this place now, it was a quiet community before, but now them say where violence kind of string up in the place. You know what I mean? Because the recent killing people, it's an incident that took place last night. And them say at about 1 a.m. people, these two men, they are friends. They want at a little bar thing, a drink and thing, a relax, all a nice little conversation and thing. And boy, them say while them there people, a different thing just took off and took place. You know what I mean? Them say a man just appear from nowhere in a mass people, cover his face. And them say when the man appear, my viewers and my subscribers, John was star. He just start beat it upon them. Be a gunshot. Right? Center. I tell them people, boy. So right now, only Jah know. Only Jah sees and he knows. You understand? Every day, you pray for your better, but you just don't know. And people be wondering and thinking, you understand? These men were definitely targeted because in the end, them say them not rob them. You understand? Like them come for money and them hold up and say, yo, give me some money or give me this. Then just come and them just start fire shot on him and took him out. And not put on them and took them out like that. But John know. That's why I tell you now. Everybody have to know what kind of seed they are sowing in life. You know what I mean? And when I say seed, I mean what kind of seed you are planting in life or where you give out there. Because most of the time, where you give, you know, I get back, you know. And where you choose, you know, cause things really happen to you, you know. You understand? Just like how people can be unfair with some people because you have some situation where people are go around people and mess around people who are work people and they want to pay them and them something. The things like them, they lead to many things we are going on right now in Jamaica, you know. You have plenty of people who are do things, you know. You understand? Sometimes it's some killing and you say, oh, this a top contractor man they done this because sometimes these men know people give people work for do. You understand? And people have them picking everybody to take care and when they come to boom and want them money, they don't want to pay them. Or then we make agreements say, you know, some want this money and when they come to the test, it's a different set of money them I give them. You understand? So them, yo, a whole heap of corruption a go on and thing, you know. And then everybody can't take a thing here. Because when a man think about his family and everything, he say, boy, John, he just fed up. Then can't take it no more. So everybody, as me telling you, you have a child live as best you can be. You understand? The bag of corona thing, the bag of mix up in a this books up and bangarang something here. You have to cut it out. You understand? Because in the end, everybody have them family to take care of. And everybody need money. Everybody need the dinero. Everybody need the legend. Everybody need the dough. So you don't know a thing. Anybody out there who are grown people, work people and they want to pay them, and style people, you understand that when people go for them money, you want to give them a straight attack Newlink as if you know. Because in the end, everybody deserve the fair chance. You know what I mean? So you don't know the thing of my viewers and my subscribers. This is Newlink from Newlink Production and we say attack. Don't know the quality set of we people, but you don't know the other device thing. Bless up people. Peace. I'm out. Big up.
Where them a go do ya now? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. Newlink. Hotter.